Ever thought your project management skills could save a lake? Here's how we're doing it. Our mission: restore the ecological health of our lake, one sprint at a time. Using Agile frameworks like Scrum and Kanban, we're breaking down this giant task into bite-sized, manageable chunks called epics and user stories. First up, we assess and prioritize. Environmental scientists assess water quality, while project managers gather input from locals to prioritize concerns. Next, we take immediate impact actions. Volunteers install floating wetlands for quick wins, and community members pitch remediation ideas. Then comes iterative improvement. We monitor water quality every sprint, pivoting strategies based on real-time data. Regular retrospectives help us reflect and refine. Finally, we engage and educate. Local residents learn how to sustain the lake's health, and teachers involve students in data collection. It's all about community involvement and continuous iteration. Together, we're making waves and saving our lake.